Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Mishra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian age. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 166 up to part 7. This is part 8. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam क्योंकि ये questions पहले पूछे गए एग्जाम में से ही लिए गए क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश। Press by bell icon so that you can get notification of new videos. Now first question of this video, question number 167. The Mill on the Floss by George Eliot is looked upon as a. Again, The Mill on the Floss by George Eliot is looked upon as a. Option A historical novel, option B social novel, option C regional novel, and option D spiritual autobiography. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option D, spiritual autobiography. Now question number 168. Though he was a supporter of the pre-Raphaelites, he did not lean towards art for art's sake, but towards art for the spiritual health of man. Who is being referred here? Option A D.G. Rossetti, option B John Ruskin, option C Thomas Carlyle, and option D Matthew Arnold. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is John Ruskin. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 169. Name the famous work of John Ruskin which he started in 1843 and its fifth and last volume appeared in 1860. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Modern Painters, option B The Two Paths, option C Force Clarigera, and option D Praeterea. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Modern Painters. Modern Painters is the correct answer. Now question number 170. Who gave up the criticism of art for criticism of society, saying no one could go on painting pictures in a burning house? Option A Matthew Arnold, option B Thomas Carlyle, option C John Ruskin, and option D D.G. Rossetti. So option C John Ruskin is the correct answer. John Ruskin is the correct answer. 170. Now question number 171. John Ruskin जो है वो किस पीरियड से बिलोंग करते हैं? ऑप्शन ए रोमांटिक पीरियड, ऑप्शन बी अगस्टन पीरियड, ऑप्शन सी विक्टोरियन पीरियड, and option D modern period. So John Ruskin belonged to Victorian period. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 172. Name the work of John Ruskin in which he expressed and made his discovery of the nature of Gothic. Option A Force Clarigera, option B The Seven Stone of Venice, option C Ethics of the Dust, and option D Unto this last. So the correct answer is option B The Seven Stone of Venice. The Seven Stone of Venice is the correct answer. Now question number 173. John Ruskin received a prize for. जॉन रस्किन को किसके लिए प्राइज मिला था? ऑप्शन ए मुनेरो पल्वर्स, ऑप्शन बी मॉडर्न पेंटर्स, ऑप्शन सी प्रेटेरिया, एंड ऑप्शन डी द सेवन स्टोन ऑफ वेनिस. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज मॉडर्न पेंटर्स. मॉडर्न पेंटर्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 174. Who became the first professor of fine art of Oxford in 1870? Who became the first professor of the art Arts at Oxford in 1870? Option A. Trollope. Option B. Thomas Carlyle. Option C. Disraeli. And option D. John Ruskin. John Ruskin. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is John Ruskin. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 175. Question number 175 है the seven stone of Venice of John Ruskin came out in. The seven stone of Venice of John Ruskin came out in. Option A 3 volume, option B 4 volumes, option C 5 volumes, and option D 6 volumes. The seven stone of Venice of John Ruskin came into 3 volumes. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 176. The Crown of Wild Olive by John Ruskin contains. The Crown of Wild Olive by John Ruskin contains option A dramatic monologue, option B dramatic poems, option C essays in criticism, and option D the autobiography. So the correct answer is essays in criticism. Essays in criticism. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 177. Force Caligera is a collection of. Force Caligera is a collection of option A poems, option B ballads, option C lyrics, and option D letters. Option D letters. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D letters. Now question number 178. Praeterea by John Ruskin is A or N? Praeterea by John Ruskin is A or N? Option A unfinished autobiography, option B finished autobiography, option C unfinished biography, and option D finished biography. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is unfinished autobiography. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 179. Which of the following is not a work of John Ruskin? इनमें से कौन सा वर्क जो है जो जॉन रस्किन का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए एथिक्स ऑफ द डस्ट, ऑप्शन बी द टू पैथाज, ऑप्शन सी Daniel Derodona, and option D unto this last. So which one is the correct answer? Option C Daniel Derodona. Daniel Derodona is the correct answer. Daniel Derodona is the correct answer. Now question number 180. Question number 180. Who was the chief protagonist of the pre-Raphaelite movement? Who was the chief protagonist of the pre-Raphaelite movement? Option A John Ruskin, option B D.G. Rossetti, option C Christina Rossetti, and option D Thomas Carlyle. So the correct answer is option B D.G. Rossetti. Option B D.G. Rossetti is the correct answer. Option B D.G. Rossetti is the correct answer. Chief protagonist of the pre-Raphaelite movement. Now question number 181. Who is the author of Goblin Market, an extraordinary poem in its time, in which the spiritual message stretches from childish fears to sexual threat and female self-assertion? So option A Morris, option B Swinburne, option C Mazzini, and option B Rossetti. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option D Rossetti. Rasoti is the correct answer. Now question number 182. The Blessed Damozel is a work of art by. The Blessed Damozel is a work of art by. Option A Swinburne, option B Morris, option C D.G. Rasoti, and option D Christina Rasoti. Christina Rasoti. So option C D.G. Rasoti is the correct answer. D.G. Rasoti is the correct answer. Now question number 183. Name the journal in which The Blessed Damozel was published. Name the journal in which The Blessed Damozel was published. Option A The Germ, option B The Critic, option C The Egoist, and option D The Review. The Review. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A The Germ. Now question number 184. Love your enemies, bless your haters. Love your enemies, bless your haters, and shed the greatest of the great. किसने कहा है कि love your enemy and bless your haters? Option A Wordsworth, option B Hilton, option C Tennyson, and option D Browning. So option D Browning is the correct answer. Now question number 185. Name the sonnet sequence written by D.G. Rasoti. Name the sonnet sequence written by D.G. Rasoti. Option A Sister Helen, option B Eden Bower, option C The House of Life, and option D The Stream Secret. So The House of Life, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 186. Rasoti was a true descendant of Rasoti was a true descendant of. Option A Shelley, option B Keats, option C Byron, option D Scott. So option B Keats is the correct answer. Option B Keats is the correct answer. Now question number 187. The Blessed Damozel is a worthy companion of. The Blessed Damozel is a worthy companion of. Option A Lochin Bar, option B The Eve of the St. John's, and option C Lockley Hall, and option D Hyperion. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is The Eve of St. Agnes. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 188. Pictorial quality in poetry was a common feature of. Pictorial quality in a poetry was a common feature of. Option A Free Raphaelite School, option B Spasmodic School, option C Cockney School, and option D Metaphysical School. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Free Raphaelite School. Now question number 189. The pre-Raphaelite poet often accused of being religious rather than being religious. Who is he? Yes. Who is he or she? Option A Morris, option B Swinburne, option C Christina Rasoti, and option D D.G. Rasoti. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option D D.G. Rasoti. Now question number 190. Christina Rasoti was the date of Dante Gabriel Rasoti. Christina Rasoti was the dash of Dante Gabriel Rasoti. Option A elder sister, option B younger sister, option C daughter, and option D wife. Option D wife. So which one is the correct answer? Option B younger sister. एंड डियर फ्रेंड दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. क्रिस्टीना रसोटी फर्स्ट पोएम अपीयर्ड व्हेन शी वाज ओनली. ऑप्शन ए 9, ऑप्शन बी 11, ऑप्शन सी 12, एंड ऑप्शन सी 10. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C 12. Dear friend, and this is the last question. Christina broke off an engagement to the painter James Collison when he joined the Catholic Church in dash because she was Orthodox High Anglican. Option A 1848, option B 1850, option C 1852, and option D 1854. So the correct answer is 1850. Thank you for